I don't know, but now I like it this paddock, and maybe 2023, maybe 2024, but we don't know because I don't have a dream MotoGP, and I have a just dream World Superbike champion, and also today I'm World Superbike champion, and that just I try more, but we will see. Thank you very much.